Hello friends. Welcome all of you to the ETC Information channel. Today we are going to talk about computer history. Subscribe to the channel before starting the video. Please give your suggestions in the comments section so that we can deliver the best information to you. The history of computers is complex and involves the contributions of many individuals over time. Some major milestones in the development of the first computers are as follows. Charles Babbage's analytical engine. Considered the conceptual precursor to modern computers, the analytical engine, developed in 1837, was designed by British mathematician Charles Babbage. Although it was never fully constructed during his lifetime, Babbage's ideas laid the foundation for the development of programmable machines. Konrad Zeuss's Z3. In 1941, Konrad Zeuss, a German engineer, is credited with creating the world's first electromechanical, programmable computer, called the Z3. It used binary representation for data and instructions and could solve many difficult problems such as floating-point arithmetic operations. The Z3 was not widely known at the time due to World War I, falling out of focus and remaining somewhat isolated from other early computing developments. ENIAC, Electronic Numerical Integrator and Computer. In 1946, John W. Mauchly and J. Developed by Presspar Eckert, ENIAC was the first general-purpose electronic digital computer. It was enormous, consisting of thousands of vacuum tubes, and was designed to solve complex numerical calculations for the U.S. military during World War II. UNIVAC-1 Universal Automatic Computer. Developed by Mauchly and Eckert in 1951. UNIVAC-1 was the first commercially manufactured computer in the United States. It gained fame for accurately predicting, on live television, the outcome of the 1952 presidential election. EDVAC, Electronic Discrete Variable Automatic Computer. In 1952, EDVAC, designed by John von Neumann and his colleagues, introduced the stored program concept, where data and instructions are stored in the computer's memory. This architecture has become the foundation of most modern computers. IBM 701. The IBM 701, developed in 1952, was IBM's first commercially available computer. It was designed for scientific and engineering calculations and marked IBM's entry into the computer market. These early computers paved the way for the development of more advanced and compact machines in the following decades. The computer industry continued to grow with the invention of the transistor, integrated circuit, and microprocessor, leading to the development of the personal computers we use today. So this was the information about computer inventions. I hope you liked this video. On our channel, we try to give information within just 5 minutes. If you liked the video, then subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Take care.